So, when safe to do so, can you show me how you switch on the rear demister, please? Thank you. No, I'll do that. When safe to do so, can you show me how you switch on the front demister? Just hold it for a second, yeah. That's it. Try not to use off the gas too much. That was a bit of a TT. When safe to do so, can you show me how you switch on the dipped headlights? So this one, 2 clicks towards the windscreen. 2 clicks, that's it. That's it, and back off them, please. Thank you. When safe to do so, can you show me how you wash and wipe the rear windscreen, please? That's it, 2 clicks towards the windscreen. That's it, just 2 clicks. End button, that's it, see it?
Yeah.
That's it, now back 1 click. Excellent, well done. And if you don't know, just say, I don't know, yeah?
Can you get a minor?
You'll get a minor, that's all, okay? You will fail if you start pissing about looking for the control and panicking and start drifting over to the left, drifting over to the right, or slowing down too much. You'll fail, okay? If you're not sure where it is, just say, I'm sorry, I don't know. Yeah, that's it. It's just a minor.
Okay.
Show me, tell me questions. The tell me question and the show me question, you have to get them both correct in order not to not get a minor, okay? So if you get 1 right and 1 wrong, it's still 1 minor. Yeah? If you get them both wrong, it's still only 1 minor. Yeah? You've got 14 minors to play with. It's not worth stressing out about. Yeah? I have seen people fail their test because they stressed out too much about their show me question.